Hello everyone, if you're getting this error in Roblox, cannot join place with the error code 610, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your Roblox. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you clear all of your cookies. So you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to go into your settings here, privacy search and services, go into cookies, see all cookies and site data, search here Roblox, go into Roblox and just delete all of these cookies. Make sure that you have your account's username and password remembered because these will sign you out of Roblox and you'll need to log in again. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here apps. You're going to go into settings. You're going to go into apps here. Go into installed apps. Search for Roblox on here. And then just click uninstall on here. We're going to reinstall Roblox on our computer. And once it's uninstalled, you're just going to go ahead and download Roblox again by going to roblox.com. You'll need to log in here because you removed your cookies. And then just go ahead and try to play any game. And once it re-downloads your game, you'll see that you won't get that error code 610 anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.